presenting Winmate's Multimode PoC Radio P500M9-DMR, a rugged communication tool purpose-built for mission-critical environments where seamless connectivity, durability, and fast communication are non-negotiable. The P500M9-DMR features a 5-inch high-definition display with optical bonding, delivering excellent visibility even under bright outdoor conditions. The projected capacitive multi-touch screen ensures responsive interaction, even with gloves or wet hands. Powered by Android 11, it combines a user-friendly interface with strong security and app compatibility. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, this device provides smooth performance for field apps and data handling. It's equipped with an 8-megapixels front camera and a 13-megapixels rear camera with LED flash, ideal for capturing field evidence or video calls. The operating temperature ranges from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, allowing dependable use in hot, cold, or unpredictable environments. The Multimode radio supports push-to-talk over cellular, allowing voice communication over LTE networks for nationwide reach. It also includes digital mobile radio capabilities for use with traditional analog and digital radio systems. With dual-mode support, users can switch between PoC and DMR seamlessly, perfect for bridging teams across different communication infrastructures. The device is also IP65 rated and certified to military standard 810H, meaning it withstands rain, dust, drops, and harsh temperatures. In terms of advantages, this PoC radio is built for operational efficiency and safety. The dedicated push-to-talk button enables instant voice communication, so users can speak without delay, even in high-pressure situations. Its hybrid communication design means field teams, control centers, and remote units can all stay connected, whether using cellular networks or conventional radio. The emergency button is a critical safety tool, offering immediate alerts in life-threatening scenarios. This multimode radio supports a wide range of real-world applications, with public safety being one of its most critical use cases. In law enforcement, officers use it for secure, direct communications during patrols, surveillance, and tactical operations. Emergency services benefit from reliable voice and GPS communication when coordinating first response actions. In fire rescue missions, the rugged construction and glove-compatible screen ensure performance even in extreme heat, smoke, or water exposure. Whether on the ground, in a vehicle, or at the heart of an emergency scene, this multimode radio is a powerful tool for teams who need reliable communication, situational awareness, and rugged performance, anytime, anywhere. At Winmate, we deliver performance, customization, reliability, and support. Whether your team needs out-of-the-box deployment or tailored configurations, Winmate provides industrial-grade solutions backed by a dedicated support team with deep expertise in field operations. Thank you for listening. For more information or inquiries about our products, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help you choose the right device for your industrial needs.